Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus physics SSC2 National Book Foundation unit number 11. Sound. Today we will discuss about according to SLO base or FBISC requirement difference of the following quantities. Now we will discuss the differentiate the following quantities according to short question answer in part 5. Now we will start the lesson first of all in question number 1. Differentiate between loudness of sound and pitch. In this question, we will discuss the difference between loudness and pitch. What is meant by loudness? Loudness is defined as the property of sound which is used for differentiating between loud and faint sound. But pitch is defined as the characteristics of sound which is used for differentiating between shrill and flat sound. Now, loudness is depend upon energy received by the air in unit time, but pitch is independent of energy received by the air in unit time. Loudness is independent of change in frequency, but frequency is dependent on the change in frequency. As the frequency is increased, then the shrill sound will be increased. Now we will discuss about question number 2. Difference between loudness and intensity of sound. So first of all, discuss the difference between loudness and intensity of sound. We can write that loudness and intensity of sound. Loudness is measured of response to of the air to the sound, but intensity is the sound power per unit area. Similarly, loudness is measured in decibel, but intensity is measured in watt per meter square. Loudness is dependent on the sensitivity of human ear, but intensity is independent of sensitivity of human ears. Now we can recall next question, differentiate between noise and music. What is meant by music? Music, any sound that plays our sounds or air, that is term or music. Any unwanted sound that does not clear our ears is called a noise. Similarly, music is produced by musical instruments that are star, glitter, violin, keyboards, etc. But noise is produced by heavy duty truck, railway engine horns, aircraft, cars, loudspeaker or etc. Music has frequency and wavelength that are harmonious, but well the noise has irregular waveform and the wavelength and low frequencies. Music has very smooth and pleasant effects, but noise will be created the confusion between the people of sound or talking or etc. Now we will discuss about an other difference between sound and noise. So it is defined continuous vibrating that travel from one medium to another medium according to the definition. But noise, it is depend upon unpleasant sound causing the disturbance. Effect on health. Sound has a positive effect on our health, but noise has negative effect on our health or our head achieves. Now, last point, sound carries a positive connotation, is audible and relative definite, but noise carrying a negative and irrelative is impossible. So You can answer an other question in question number 4. What is meant by the intensity level of threshold of sound that have a pain? Now explain it. Here, sound above 90 decibel can be lead to chronic hearing damage if the people are exposed to them every day or all the time. Hearing because uncomfortable if the sound player level is above 110 decibel. Forward or discomfortable that or become a painful if 130 decibel. So it is a painful voice. Now, and other answer, it will be the intensity level of sound will be give pain to our ear usually between 115 to 140 decibel. In a graph, some listener is a level may be much lower, and this shows that it is a very feeling and throatness discomfort. So you can explain that and other the intensity level. What is meant by the intensity level? The intensity level of loud sound which give a pain to our ear, usually between 115 to 140 decibel. For some listener, we can hearing the much lower and we can be painful voice. So here this voice can be disabled for us. Listener reach limit is about 125 decibel or 135 to 140 decibel or experience voice. So it is a painful voice. So our frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. So it is a 120 decibel or 125 decibel. So that is a final answer of this question. Best of luck. Allah.